Hello everyone, welcome back to MindMatrix YouTube channel. So today we have a special guest, the star of the day. Okay, so yesterday only we have got the result for the GATE exam, and as we already know, GATE D is the new exam. So we have one of the ranker from GATE D exam, Vamsi Krishna. Okay, so yeah, is it Vamsi Krishna?
Yes,
Krish
sir.
or Krishna?
Vamsi Krishna. Krishna.
Yeah, Vamsi Krishna. Okay. So yeah, we have Vamsi Krishna with us. Okay. So he'll be sharing his journey, his experience, and I hope before starting, congratulations, Vamsi. Okay. And other students who will be just watching this, do write it out. Okay. Congratulations, because it was the first exam, GATE D exam, and it's a bit difficult to trust upon the journey because what I feel is, there are a number of students who are thinking, "Oh, should I trust GATE DA? Should I appear for this? Or should I go with my own exam?" Something like that. But you need to, like sometimes you need to take a bet. Okay. And you have to take the calculated risk. And that's what one of the thing Vamsi has already done. Okay. Though he has already that background, but still, like trying for this kind of stuff because he could have appeared for GATE computer science as well. But he chose GATE DA. Okay. So we'll know more about him. We'll know his journey. So before starting again, once again, congratulations, Vamsi. Now let's get started. Uh, yeah, you can introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir, for having me. I'm Vamsi Krishna. I basically belong to a Tier 3 college called Methodist in Hyderabad. So my engineering background is in artificial intelligence and data science itself, sir. So I basically started my GATE journey through, first of all, I thought to take CSE exam. Whenever the GATE DA exam has announced in August, I felt excited so that I can make use of the previous my learnings into the GATE exam. So I thought it's a good way to start. That's how I
Yeah.
started.
Okay. Okay. So that's how you started. So, okay. So you're like final semester students.
Yeah, yeah. I'm
Yeah.
in my final year.
Not final semester, but yeah,
Mhm.
pre-final sem. It's like seventh semester you are in, and he has just written his exams for the seventh semester. And
Yeah.
yeah, it's really a great thing when you are in the college and then you are acing the GATE exam within your first attempt. I hope that was the first attempt you are having with GATE D.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, it was the first attempt. So yeah, it's really great and good to have you for because of that. It will be helping a number of students for sure. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
right now, like how you're feeling because like so many a times there is already a legacy. Okay, that
Yeah, yeah.
somebody have got this rank, but the thing is GATE DA first time, and within
Mm.
first time you are getting this score. Like how is it around you? Can you just share some kind of
Yes,
like
sir.
did you
I
party and your friends
yeah.
reaction, family's reaction? Yeah, all that.
I basically don't know anyone who wrote GATE, sir, because we in our college there is no culture of GATE exam.
Okay.
So whenever yesterday when I got the rank of 204, I felt very happy, sir. And I am with my friends at that time. My friends
Okay.
felt very excited, and
Okay.
yeah, we have partied, and my family was very happy,
Okay.
and yeah,
Okay.
seeing
Cool.
forward
Cool.
what
Cool.
will happen.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But
So we'll
really,
discuss
really
that.
happy.
Need not worry about that as well.
Yes, sir.
So, as you mentioned, there was not the culture of the
Yeah,
GATE. So, what was that initial point when you thought about let's go for the GATE? And then the second point, you already mentioned that why GATE D because you
yeah.
were already, but just the first point, why you came for the GATE? Just that point. Can you just enlighten with that?
Yes, sir. I have no idea of writing GATE exam, sir. My friend who know about the GATE exam has motivated me to write the GATE exam.
Okay.
So in that in the, when he told that about the GATE, I started researching about that GATE exam. So
Okay.
I thought there is a good opportunities through the GATE exam itself. And
Okay.
also we are not getting any companies as well. So let's give
Okay.
a try. So
So
in
you're
that,
from Tier 3 college. Tier
yeah,
3
yeah, I'm
college.
from
Yeah.
Tier 3 college. From that, I started the GATE journey with CSC, and after
Okay.
the announcement of DA, and I felt very happy.
Okay, okay. So yeah, student take some notes. It is very important. Yeah, like it determines your future track as well. What type of friends you have. So
Yes,
just
sir.
because of that, a really great good friend, he inspired him to appear for the GATE exam, and then like life took a turn. You know, came up with a surprise that okay, GATE DA exam we are going to have, and then having it. So ultimately, there are these kind of small,
Yeah.
small step or small, what should I say, like a
The
ignition
small,
is there, which
yeah.
led to this kind of fire. So we must acknowledge this thing as well, and we must have good friends for that. Okay,
The
because that
environment
was
is also
something.
very important, sir. The
Sorry.
environment that he created with
Yes.
me and the
Yes.
competitive
Yes.
environment is very important.
Okay, okay, okay. So that's really appreciative for your friend. Yeah, like uh 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 what should I say? Like thank him from my side as well. I
Yeah,
guess you
yeah,
have
yes,
already
sure,
thanked
sir.
him. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's come back to the GATE DA exam preparation now. So how did you prepare? Okay, you know that okay, GATE DA exam is going to be there, and you already have that background because you have
Yes, sir.
studied for 3 years. Within that, basically you started with yeah, you have studied 3 years within that. So how did you approach? How did you find the content? Because there was no structured content anywhere.
Yes, sir.
So how
So
did you start with that?
when the GATE DA exam has announced in August, so I thought, okay, let's close the CSE part and let's start the DA. And I went back to
Yes.
my old books, old notes. It's good that I maintain my books. I wrote very neatly the class notes and all. So I started preparing those notes. First, I started with machine learning, sir, and GATE is all about the numericals and the conceptual part.
The
So
fundamentals straight.
yeah, the
Yeah.
fundamentals are very important in the GATE exam. So there are no such mediums to take the questions and the test series basically at that time.
Hmm. Yes.
So I referred to foreign university test exams.
Exams.
Yeah.
Yes.
Though I did not got the answers, but they still helped me in building the concepts.
Yeah.
So in this way, the journey has started, and the time goes by. I found out your channel, sir, MindMatrix channel in the YouTube.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, the first playlist which I came across is your probability series.
Yes. 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 I
Yeah,
had it.
and
Yeah.
those were very good insights to the probability, the basic concepts of probability. And
Okay.
from
Okay.
there, I came across the MindMatrix channel, and the
Okay.
journey continues.
Okay, okay, okay. So let me just clearly mention. So he has already mentioned, but still to be precise, so he referred his class notes because he is from BTech AI part, I guess AI and
Yeah,
data science.
yeah,
He's
yeah, and
already pursuing BTech in that. So he had his class notes. He has well maintained notes. So he referred that. Apart from that, he needed questions. For that, he referred foreign university exams, be it of Stanford, Harvard, because online exams are already there. Okay, and then later on he came to our channel as well, where he he got to know about us, and yeah, he referred our playlist as well for that. So
yes,
how did that playlist helped you? Because I hope like it's aware to everyone, everybody knows that I haven't uploaded a number of videos, but those were limited to something which I found important, and those were basic, but
yes.
still within that good fundamentals were covered and good
Mhm.
number of questions also I covered for the probability. So how did you find that?
Yeah, the probability series specifically, the entire playlist based on the basics.
Yes, yes, yes.
If you know the basics, you can go through the next questions and you can solve them easily. The
Yes, yes,
basics
yes.
are very important, and that basics were taught by you very neatly, sir.
Okay.
The insights of the probability, which
Yeah.
the basic of the machine learning is
Yeah.
is what you thought.
Okay, okay, okay. And I had machine learning playlist as well,
Yeah.
which was also within that. I haven't covered any machine learning model because I was clear with my mind. If I start, then there would be a lot many things to discuss, and I that was the last time. Okay, so I didn't want to risk it for the students. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so what I covered was the basic for the modeling part. Okay,
Hmm.
and if that can help really, so we did that. Apart from that, there was one more thing. I guess. Can you share the insight about the test series? So we
Ah,
had it in the last few days. I guess I still remember how I was
yeah.
working upon that. I was not sleeping at all while looking at the questions and creating those and then uploading it, because within the gap of 10 days we created 3 tests, and those were
Hmm.
really great tests. Uh,
Yeah.
I would like to know from you like the feedback for that.
Yes, sir. Uh, Before your test series, I have
Yeah.
given the DA test series of another famous institute, sir. In that,
Okay.
in that I got around 70 to 80 marks in between every time. They have three
Okay.
final test series. Every time I got
Okay.
70 to 80, and I got
Okay.
very confident. And after you have launched the challenge test series, the first exam I got is at 28 marks. I felt
Yeah.
so much demotivated. I thought I'm not there yet for cracking
Okay.
the gate exam.
Okay.
And I thought I should build more the fundamental part, and I started learning more. And
Okay.
the second test series, I got little more, not more, a little more, 30 to 40 marks around.
Okay.
And okay, I thought, okay, let's leave it here. And I do not want to give your last test series
Okay.
because
Last test.
it's
Yeah.
it's just before the gate exam.
Yeah. Just 2 3 days before, I
Yeah,
guess.
just 2 3 days before a gate exam, and I don't want to make me demotivated, so that
Yeah.
I'll be not ready for the gate exam.
Yes.
But I thought, okay, let's give a try. Let's see what happened. And also, I got a good score in the last test series. The
Yes.
test
Yes. Yes.
series, why did I got so much less marks is what I know was the previous test series which I have scored more marks. They have very basic concepts. There are no more conceptual things. There are more on the DBMS and aptitude side. They
Okay.
have
Okay.
covered less machine learning topics.
Machine learning
Uh,
and
Yeah, they have
probability
covered very
statistics
less.
also, like within that also, I
Yeah,
guess most of the people haven't covered
the
those
basic.
topics properly, which
Yeah,
can be asked.
the questions on the previous test series was the basic concepts on Bayes theorem, the direct questions.
Yeah.
So when I wrote the MindMatrix test series, they were so conceptual in machine learning questions, the preparation of the question. I thought, okay, there is more to learn in the machine learning field itself, even though I did my previous 2 years in machine learning.
Okay.
So I thought, okay, this has some great questions, and I thought
Okay.
after giving my the test series of MindMatrix, I revised all the questions, sir. I wrote all
Okay.
the questions which I went wrong in my notes, and
Okay.
I prepared from that notes.
Okay. 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 So yeah, I still remember with respect to the question making while we were creating, I was very clear. I was the one who was choosing the questions because we were getting a number of questions. Which question to put in the exam? I was the one who was selecting,
Yeah.
and I was very selective with respect to that because I knew the direct question shouldn't be there. Apart from that, I knew,
Hmm.
like like I was expecting that other institute what they'll be doing is uh, exams from mechanical is already there, CS is already there, so probability would be coming up from that. So I had it clear in my mind that I should be covering those topics which are not yet explored in other exams, and that
Yes.
would be the main part which will be asked in the machine learning exam or the gate DA exam. Okay, so that's how we created it, and that was really a great time. At that point of time, I still remember how much time I was giving to my sleep, but yeah, that was worthy. That really helped a number of students. Okay, so okay, with respect to the test series, and I guess it really boosted your performance. It
Yeah.
made you feel you shouldn't be going overconfident.
Yeah.
It made you realize that okay, there is much more to explore, and then you prepared, you revised your notes well, and it helped you as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So right now, what are the future plans you're having? Further plans with respect to the gate score you are already having it?
Yes. Uh, Basically, the next thing is to apply for all the IITs, and I think I wanted to go to IIT Bombay, so
Okay.
I have to prepare for interview and written exam, I guess.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
that preparation is also I should start the preparation, right?
Okay. 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 So yeah, we'll be connecting for that for sure. We'll
Yeah.
be helping you out. Okay, so your journey is clear. Your
Yes.
outcome is quite visible right now. The hard work paid off. Okay. So right now, one thing which I would like to know, what would be the advice or the guidance would you like to give to the students who will be appearing for GATE exam next year or next to next year?
Yes, sir. So the fundamentals are very important, sir. So there is no such thing without fundamentals. There you cannot solve any numericals. If you want to solve only numericals, you can solve some questions, but the gate exam will beat you. So the fundamentals, the core concepts should be strong because the questions of machine learning are purely mathematic based. So you have to, if you want to learn any model, SVM and all, you should know the mathematic concept, and the fundamental concepts of these things are very important. And and the YouTube channels like you, sir, MindMatrix, it will help the students a lot. And you also launch the new courses for this
Yes, yes,
upcoming
yes. We
years.
have a
Yeah,
proper structured course. Yeah.
yeah, learning from the professionals will help you more, sir. rather than any other field teachers like CSA and all. The
Yes.
learning from the teachers which are in the current field of data science and AI will help
Yes.
you
Yes.
more, not only for the GATE exam, for also the future purpose as well.
Yes. 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 Okay.
That
Okay.
thing should every student should keep in mind
Okay.
before going through any course.
Okay, okay. So yeah, like it is up to the students. They must
Yeah.
review properly. They must have a feedback from the students that how is
Yes.
it going on? Okay, how is it? So yeah, that only. Because what I got to know, like with respect to the same thing you have mentioned. So one of the student was mentioning me that he was looking for a course and for GATE DA, where he got to know that this institute was providing them probability statistics in advance, and it was from the computer science background.
Mm.
So there is
No.
a difference.
Yeah.
People do not realize that. In fact, when I'm going to teach, so right now I'm teaching already probability and statistics. I know I'll be teaching it again for the GATE computer science, but that would be of different level.
Different
Because
level.
over
Yeah.
here, when we deal in machine learning, it is of different level. We have to talk about, this thing with respect to machine learning applications,
Yes.
so that
Yes.
then they understand it properly, understand it well.
Mm.
So we go by that. But yeah, that's how we do it. So it's okay. Got to know that. So right now, like I would say just one thing. So you don't know, like it would be helping a number of student. Okay, and any final words you would like to have? You have already suggested that. Okay, with
Yes.
respect to the guidance and all that. Still, any final words you would like to have?
Yes. I just want to thank you, sir. After the test series, I also left the feedback in your channel also. So
Okay,
the test series have helped me a lot, sir. So
okay,
I am very much thankful for your test series.
okay, okay,
That's the
okay.
thing. And all the students who are watching this, I suggest you focus on your fundamentals and learn from a professionals like you, sir. I,
Okay.
I I very much like your way of teaching and all.
Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, like with respect to the test series for the students who are interested, we'll be starting very soon. By the April end, we
Yeah.
will having a launch of our own test series. Okay,
And
so
also I started in August. So the students have huge advantage if they start
they want
right
to
now
start
itself.
now.
Yeah,
Yes,
for the
yes,
next
yes.
year.
Okay. So yeah, thank you, Vamsi, for kind words, for like bringing our name into this. I know like this was more of your preparation, because if you wouldn't have prepared, if you wouldn't have given it a try, it wouldn't have been possible. So you are like the one who made it possible, and thanks for joining this session. It will be helping a number of students. Okay, and we'll be connecting again. Okay,
Yes.
so thank you for you joining this session. Okay. So
Thank you,
we'll
sir.
be
Thank you
meeting
for
again. We'll
having
be
me.
connecting again.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Thank you for having me, sir.
Yeah. So for the students, see you guys in the next session where we will be having another session. Okay. And I hope if you have any doubt, you can just write in the chat. Vamsi will be helping you out there. I will
Yes.
also be there to, help you out with the doubts you're having. Okay. So thank you guys for joining. Bye bye. Take care.